Mia with day number 3. I'm working on Dollhouse. So I got more stuff from Dollar Tree and we're going to put up the wallpapers now and the flooring. So it's gonna be lit. Let's get started. Alright guys, so what we have here for now, I have this wallpaper that I'm going to use. It's the chevron pattern style. So this is going to be for the attic room. And I already pre-cut this one so it could fit like rounded. See? And I bought these glue dots from Dollar Tree. And we're going to use these to adhere them on the wall. Because, you know, they don't damage it, honestly. And it's really good. So we could like keep on removing it and putting new patterns back on if we want to. I'm so excited for this, guys. And then we also have the flooring I want to put in. And then the carpet, like the rug. Yeah, so let's go! Alright guys, so have the completed wallpaper done. It's a little funky at some parts, but you know what? It's cool. I love this chevron print so much. Ah! It just opens the room up. It doesn't look like you know, it doesn't look like that anymore. Alright, so next we're gonna put the flooring on here now. So let's open that up. Woohoo! Hi, Baldy. Alright guys, so this is how it looks, the vinyl. Doesn't it look so cute and nice? Woo! Again, got it at Joann's. So this is the thing we're gonna put on the house. Can you guys see it? You guys see the vision? You see it? Woo! Ooh, I got it. Oh, perfect. Bumpity bum 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 bum. It's really nice. Very nice. It's very nice. Oh no! I fixed it. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Oh no. It's fine. It's fine. Wow, already looks so modern. Right? Like what the fuck is wrong with everything? Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. Like that's literally like modern and then that's just like Barbie. But like wow. Do you see this floor though? My goodness. Don't worry, I know you see little pink here pinking out, but oh my god, look at this. Dun. Dun 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 dun. Wow. I have like a little air bubble in there, but it's okay. It's fine. Wow. Okay, now it's time to cut the rug and we're gonna put it inside, guys. Woo! Alright guys, so I opened it and look! Oh, look how fluffy it is. I get dressed and I was, what the fuck? Sorry, like my girl vibes, am I right? Alright guys, so I decided on covering just half of the room, like a quarter of the room-ish, with just like a rug, you know? At first I wanted to like do the whole thing like as if it was like carpet, but now I really like the way this looks, you know? Like one part, this is where she's gonna get ready or stuff like that, you know? And this side, we're gonna make her bed. And then just look. Imagine like a boho chic vibe, right? You see it. Ooh! A little something like this. You see that? You see it? Ooh, it's like Pinterest Tumblr. Woo! Hey guys, this is Mexican Mia. Today is day number 4 of working on remodeling the house. So you can see I'm working on this room, the cacti room, and I still have like around the top corners to do. So I've been working on that, and also today I really want to do the restroom. Right now it has a wig in it because I'm filming a different video right now. Hashtag DIY hydro flask. So yeah, right. So I also wanted to do the restroom and also start on the living room, but I think I'm just gonna start on the kitchen because I think I'm gonna change the wallpaper for the living room. I don't really like it, so I think I might just go back to Joann's, and yeah, so let's get started working on this. Here, I just have this as like kind of like storage area for now. I have everything just tucked away in here. So then after, just you know, after I'm done, we're chance for some more stuff. You know, we have our doll things in there still, have Barbie stuff. Yeah, I'm excited. Alright guys, so I finished the middle room and now I'm going to work on the restroom with this pattern, and it looks kind of similar to that because I wanted it to like kind of reflect it and, you know, like to match in a way, like still have the same colors but like different pattern. And I think I nailed it, but I have like a little bit of the flooring left, so I think I'm just gonna use it for the restroom. I'm going to buy a different flooring for this room, and maybe the bottom one. I kind of like this for the kitchen. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's just the attic. It's not done yet. We still need to like furnish it and like to add some more details to it. That'll be for a later video. Right now we're just doing like every room, like wallpaper and the flooring, you know. So ooh, stay tuned for more. Bye guys, see you later.